In this video, I'll take you through the key essentials about what a business plan is, what it contains, and how to create one. A business plan is a written document that describes your business and how you intend to manage it in the next period. And that next period can be anything from 1 year to several years. It covers objectives and strategies, and sales, marketing and financial forecasts, and of course, how you plan to achieve them. Why do business planning? A business plan can help you to clarify your business idea, to set out your goals, and to spot potential problems, to win support, both political and financial, to secure funding, either capital or debt, and to measure your progress once you get started. For startups, a business plan is critical to attract investors or lenders to fund growth. Established businesses use their business plan to signal their intent and to guide their management teams for the coming year or years. And business units within larger organizations use their business plans to secure support from the wider organization. So, what goes into a business plan? There is no single format for a business plan. There are as many business plan templates as there are businesses. However, there are some things which you can expect to see in most, if not all, business plans. First will come an executive summary. This will contain a brief overview of the business and what the plan contains. This will often set out the business's mission statement, its overall strategy, and its leadership. Company description. Business plans often contain a detailed description of the business itself. This will include things like its operations, its locations, and its management structures. Market analysis. This will contain an analysis of your industry, your competitors, your suppliers, and your potential customers, and it will focus on your target market and how you intend to serve it. Products and services. This contains a description of the products or services that the business offers. This will include things like pricing and promotions, production methods, patents, and the kind of key differentiators that mean your products or services are going to fare better in the market than your competitors. Marketing and sales strategies. This sets out how you plan to attract, win, and retain customers. This includes things like advertising, promotion, and distribution channels. It also includes customer service, how you're going to continue to delight your customers once they bought from you. Financial projections. A credible business plan must have a series of financial projections, often based on a number of different scenarios, from the most optimistic to the most reasonable pessimistic scenario. The kinds of financial data you include will depend on the nature of your business, but may include things like cash flow projections, projected balance sheet, profit and loss, budget statements, funding requirements, and any other information that the readers of the business plan could reasonably expect to have to make the decisions they need to make to support and endorse the plan. Finally, most business plans will have a number of appendices which pick up the kind of details which are not essential to understanding the thrust of the business plan, but go into the kind of details that one or two of its readers may need to address. How do we create a business plan? Step 1 is research, which includes things like data gathering, benchmarking, and market research. Step 2 is analysis, And we use tools like SWOT analysis, PESTLE analysis, and market share analysis. Step 3 is idea generation. We use tools like brainstorming to develop the ideas for what's going to go into the next business plan. Step 4 is option assessment. This evaluates the ideas against the data and its analysis to select which options will make for the best business plan. Step 5 is strategy development. We select the strategies that will align with our business goals, our long-term goals, and our nearer-term goals. Step 6 is drafting. We take all the work we've done and we start to draft it into a business plan. This includes working up the financial projections that are going to go into the business plan based on different scenarios, but following the strategies and the ideas that we've accepted. Step 7 is feedback and review. Gather feedback from all of the interested parties and perhaps one or two more objective observers. Consider that feedback and adjust your plan as necessary. Step 8, acceptance. This is where we secure formal approval for the business plan from the business leaders that are going to be responsible for making that plan happen. And finally, step 9, implementation. Work the plan, monitor your progress against it, and keep the plan under constant review. It's a living document. As circumstances change, you may need to revise the plan into a new version and to adjust the potential course of your business direction. Business plans are one of the most important business documents. Everyone who aspires to either lead a business or to lead a chunk of a business needs to understand at least the basics of a business plan. And whilst they can be fiendishly difficult to create, with lots of internal politics and complex financial analysis in some organisations, the principles of a business plan are very simple. Please do give this video a like if you've learned from it or enjoyed it. I'll be making loads more great management courses videos for you, so please do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of them. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and in the meantime, keep learning.